Today I'm making a 1-ingredient chocolate mousse. Basically nothing about this recipe makes any sense to me, but it just works. The only ingredient you need is 300 grams of chocolate. To that you add 250 milliliters or 1 cup of water. Yes, I know this technically is a second ingredient, but it's water, guys, come on. Cut me some slack. Heat this over medium-low heat until melted and combined, stirring constantly so the chocolate doesn't burn. Then you're going to transfer the melted chocolate to a medium-sized bowl. Place some ice into a larger bowl along with a touch of water. Place the bowl of melted chocolate on top of the ice and whisk. Then whisk some more, and you'll need to continue whisking constantly for about 5 minutes. When the chocolate looks fluffy and thick, just like this, then you're done. Since this mousse is pretty well just dark chocolate, it's super rich, so best served alongside of something else. I'm topping mine with a little bit of flaky salt because I have a weird salt and chocolate obsession, but after I finished filming this, my flatmate and I ended up dipping some fruit into it. Really though, you can pair this with anything that chocolate goes well with for a dessert. If you like this video and haven't already, consider subscribing. And feel free to connect with me elsewhere at KAC Creative.